How to find comments settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find comments settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram, and here you will find your profile. Click on it in the bottom corner and then click the storylines, and now just click settings, and here you will find this one, privacy. Click on it, and as you see here you will find comments. Now just click on it, and here you can manage comment controls. Just you can block anyone you want here. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.